Good evening, friends. How are you? Hope you are doing good. In this high pandemic, only way to stay is safe, and we have to utilize this time for studying. Okay, so let's start. Today we are going to analyze the difference between structural approach and communicative approach. It's a very important question in B.Ed, SET, CTET, NET, CATET, all other exams. Okay, so for B.Ed students too, for MA student too, this is also important topic. And so we are going to discuss about the difference between structural approach and communicative approach. So first one, structural approach. It focuses on developing linguistic competence. Structural approach focuses on developing language competency, whereas communicative approach focuses on developing communicative competence. This is very easy. Communicative approach focuses on developing communicative competence, whereas structural approach focuses on linguistic competence. Second one, it is learning language to use it. Structural approach focuses on learning how to use a language, whereas in communicative approach, it is learning language by using it. We already discussed in communicative approach, it focuses on using language for communication. So it focuses on learning language by using it through communication. Okay. Then the third one, form is more important than meaning. Form is more important. But in communicative approach, meaning is more prominent. In communicative approach, meaning is more prominent. Fourth one, language learning mean to master structure of language. In structural approach, language learning mainly focus on mastering the structure of a language. Include phonetics, morpheme, phoneme, all are studied in depth or deeply. Whereas in communicative approach, language learning means attaining the ability to communicate the language. In communicative approach, language learning means developing the capability or ability to communicate in a particular language. Then, in structural approach, accuracy is more prominent or important. But in communicative approach, fluency of language is important. In structural approach, accuracy is more important. In communicative approach, fluency is more prominent. Then it seeks genuine pronunciation. Structural approach focus on genuine pronunciation. But in communicative approach, it focus on intelligible pronunciation. What is intelligible pronunciation? Language is used here for communication. So it had to be used according to its sense. Then structural approach. Use of mother tongue is discouraged. Use of mother tongue is discouraged. Whereas communicative approach, judicious use of mother tongue is permitted. That is, some use of mother tongue is permitted. Then error is seen as sinful. In structural approach, they can't accept errors. But in communicative approach, error is tolerated. It is seen as natural part of correct learning. In communication, it is quite common practice we will make errors. So in communicative approach, mistakes are not seen as a problem. It is seen as a natural part of correct learning. Then there is immediate correction of errors. In structural approach, there are frequent or immediate correction of errors. But in communicative approach, there is no immediate correction of error because language is used for communication. No immediate correction is there in communicative approach. Hope you identified or analyzed, and I hope you all enjoyed the class. Stay safe, study well, pray for a better tomorrow. And now we know it's only a few minutes for 2022, and I wish you all a very happy new year. Thank you.